How to fix blurry for Snapchat stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. To fix the blurry Snapchat stories, first of all you need to flip your phone and check if the lens is dirty, greasy or smudged. Use a clean dry cloth to wipe it off. Next thing, you need to check your internet connection. Poor Wi Fi or mobile data can affect Snapchat story quality. You can easily switch networks or restart your router if needed. If this doesn't help, you need to update Snapchat application. Head to Play Store or App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right. Tap search bar at top of your screen and type in Snapchat. If there is any updates, tap update button and update to the latest version. By following this all the steps, you can easily fix blurry for your Snapchat stories. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.